Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use TikTok on your PC. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is go over to the TikTok website on your web browser. I really highly recommend you use Google Chrome for this. It's what I'm doing in this tutorial. It is the easiest way by far to use TikTok on your PC. So I'd recommend going to download Google Chrome if you haven't already. And once you've done that, you can return to where I am right now in the tutorial and head over to TikTok. So once you're on TikTok, you just want to go over to the top right of your web page and just click on the dots in the top right corner, and then head over to where it says More Tools, and then you want to click on Developer Tools. That'll open up all this code right here, and then over to the left you will see it shows like a little toggle device toolbar. You want to click on that, and it'll open up this screen that I have right here. And then if you go ahead and click on the top where this drop down menu is, you could change it to look like a certain phone, like an iPhone or an iPad, etc. So it's really easy to use like that. And then once you find like the little the image that you want to see, whether like an iPhone or an iPad, you can just click on that device and then go over and click Watch Now, and then you'll be able to look at TikTok as you would on your phone. So you can just scroll like this, just like it's a phone. And there's tons of videos for you to watch. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video and how to use TikTok on your PC. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.